Hello everyone, welcome to Rainbow Network Media. Please kindly subscribe to this channel for interesting news. It takes just a second to do that. Some Nigerians have alleged that telecommunication company MTN is stifling the progress of Nigerian small and medium scale enterprise by ensuring that access to airtime and data through simple technology is cumbersome. One of those affected by the company's recent policy said, with the increase in the transfer charges on USSD, the company is looking to drive Nigerian SMEs who sells data and airtime out of business. The source said MTN has also compelled SMEs who aggregate data and airtime sales to push only MTN platform and cut down commissions on sales. But that is not all. There's the issue of the privacy policy. With MTN Nigeria, your personal information is not safe. Why is that? MTN insists that most of their customers use their own MTN apps or applications to buy recharge for both voice and data services because they want to collect as much as personal information from customers as possible. This means MTN can share your data details, which include your phone numbers, your verification number, amongst others, to third parties for targeted advertising and possibly pushing. Do you still receive unsolicited SMS on your MTN lines? That is because MTN is sharing your phone numbers with companies that are willing to pay for it. Those companies then target you even though you never requested for their services. You will notice that you randomly receive SMS from companies asking you to take a quick loan or lure you into a competition where you can win millions of naira. There are two things involved. The first is that MTN has made its customers vulnerable and has stepped out its games by insisting that you use their applications like MTN, Top It, and Momo channels to transact. This helps them monitor your transaction as well as monitor your browsing history. The source echoes the concern of many other Nigerians have accused MTN of showing gross negligence to customers who do not use smartphones. They did not factor such customers into their plans. Instead of encouraging more customers to embrace USSD, they are pushing them back into the era when we used to buy paper recharge cards, the other source said. The privacy policy of MTN is not customer friendly. So how then have they been able to get away with it? What exactly are the regulatory bodies, agencies doing? What is the role and functions of the Nigerian Communication Commission? Why is MTN allowed to get away with things like this? So guys, what are your own suggestions and thoughts concerning what the populace are lamenting, especially the SMEs involved? They said they are affected by the company's recent policy, which is the increase in the transfer charges on the USSD. The company is also looking to drive Nigeria's SMEs who sells data and airtime out of business. So the MTN network should look into that area and make adjustment for the entire populace. So guys, whatever is your own thoughts concerning this news, please let us know by dropping your own comment at the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more updates. Thank you all for listening.